If you want to back up your Convertkit email list to protect it, just head up the top to Grow and down to Subscribers. You're going to want to scroll down, and I've blurred these out for protection, but if I click this box, I've got all 30 subscribers on this page selected, but I actually want to select my entire list, so I click Select All, and I've got all 3,000 subscribers. I go up the top here to Bulk Actions and then Export, and it says we're exporting a list of your subscribers. You will receive an email when the export is done. So I click Done. And then I wait for an email to arrive with a link to my CSV file. And you get a cool spreadsheet like this, and unfortunately I can't show you any of it, but it literally has the name, email, and all this information here. So I'm going to quickly edit this so that you can see how it looks with some dummy info. And now you see I have a spreadsheet with some dummy information. This is all fake, every bit of it, apart from the Midjourney list and the created dates. But you can see we've got Jim, Bob, and Frank, what list they were applied to, their email addresses, which are fake also, and a little bit of other information. So we can now upload that to Convertkit or another provider if we decide to move our email list or restore it so we can continue sending emails. So I've got this completely separate account now. It only has my email address there, and what I need to do is add subscribers. I go to Add Subscribers, Import CSV, and it'll ask me where to actually import these. So what forms. I can come down here and choose a form. So if you want to actually add them to a particular form, you can do that. So I can do that, or even sequences. I can add tags. So you could probably even separate these if you really want to. But for now, we'll just stick with that form and go import subscribers. Oh, actually, we're going to click here to select our file, or we can drag and drop. So I'm just going to drag my file across, drop it in there. You can see we've got information here. I want to tell Convertkit what each field is. So obviously this is our first name, this is email, the status. We want the tags, we go comma separated list of tags. And otherwise there's not much more information there, but we can sort of work with that. I'm going to click import subscribers. And there you can see we've got our fake subscribers here, Frank, Bob, and Jim, all imported, ready to go. And of course I can highlight these and delete them as well. So that's a nice quick video showing you how you can actually back up and import subscribers with Convertkit. Very important you do this at least every so often because it can actually be an issue that if you ever have your account closed. So I hope you found that useful, and if you did, I've got other Convertkit videos on my channel, so check those out. Otherwise, have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon.